Okay, so if you were watching my previous tutorial on how to do this project on Google Slides, you know that it cut me off at the end and I didn't really have time. So this is just all going to be about making your backyard on Google Slides, okay? So remember, this was like my pick for inspiration. I have a pool, I have like a patio, have some lounge chairs. That's all the stuff that I'm going to use, okay? So just like I did for the house, I am going to start by creating a square that will be the outline of my backyard. So I'm just going to do like that. And I want it to be transparent so I can see the squares. I want the border to be black and I want the border to be thick. Okay, so that's the outline of my backyard. An important thing, if I look at my directions, is that two of the shapes must be a trapezoid, triangle, or circle. Again, down here, at least two of the following shapes are included. So, I am going to start by, let's say that, let's do a trapezoid. And maybe I want a trapezoidal pool. Okay, so I go to trapezoid and my pool is going to be located about right here. And I'm going to keep dragging this until it looks like the sides of my trapezoid, all the vertices, all the corners of it are on points of the graph. Okay, so here we go. I want it to be transparent. I want the outline. I'm going to outline it in blue since it's a pool, and I'm going to make the border pretty thick. Okay, so here we have my pool. Again, you can move it, line it up where you want it. Maybe I want to line it up like right there. Okay, this is my pool. You have to label it and find the area. So going to label this pool. I drew a text box. And the area of a trapezoid, a lot of you will miss this. You have to count the bases. So this base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have to add them together. Base 1 plus base 2. 8 plus 12 is 20. I have to divide that in half, which is going to give me 10. And then I have to multiply it by the height. And the height is going to be the straight up and down distance from the top base to the bottom base. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I do 10 times 8 and I get 80. Let's say feet squared again, okay? So I have some units there because it's area. And like I did before, so I can see those words, I'm going to make it bold. And I'm going to fill it in with some pretty blue water in the pool. So that would be my trapezoid. Then maybe I want to do a triangle as my other shape. So you've got two options here for a triangle. I'm just going to do this one. And this can be over here, and this will be like my patio area. Again, I'm going to keep moving this so that until the points of the triangle are on actual points of the graph. Okay, there we go. You have to count the base to find the area, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Base of 10. The height would be from this point down to the base. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have to do 8 times 10, which is 80, divided by 2. Don't forget to divide the triangle by 2, which would be 40. So this is going to be a patio, and the area equals 40 feet squared. Alright, and then, you know what I'm going to do? Make it bold, And let's fill it in with green. Okay, a nice little green patio. So, there's that. It didn't fit well or perfect, but that's okay. There we go. Okay, so that's my patio. So there's 2 of my 4 shapes. And then from that point, if you just want to do squares and rectangles, go for it. So maybe I have a square down here, a rectangle down here, and that could be some lounge chairs. And then maybe I have a hot tub because I'm fancy. And so then over here by your pool, you can draw this and label it as a hot tub. So you would label both of those, find the area, and then you would be done with your backyard and then done with the entire project. All right? So big thing, make sure you follow along the directions and then check this checklist before you turn it in and you will be good to go.